The items you're going to need for this install are going to be a heat gun or a hair dryer, something to heat up the adhesive on the actual reflector, a pry tool, some alcohol pads, glue gun to clean off any residue from the actual double-sided sticky tape that holds on the reflector, and then some paper towels. All right, let's get this installed on.